In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your profile on Gumroad, a quick and straightforward task that can help you personalize your presence on the platform. Whether you're a creator looking to showcase your work or simply want to add a personal touch, customizing your profile is a great way to start. So let's dive right in. First things first, once you're logged in, take a moment to locate your dashboard. From here, your journey to customization kicks off. On the dashboard screen, look out for the Settings option and go ahead and give it a click. This is where the magic begins, as you'll soon discover it's the place where you can tweak and tailor your profile to your heart's content. Within the settings, you'll notice several tabs at your disposal. But for today's task, our interest lies in the Profile tab. Once you click on it, you'll be transported to the area where all the customizations happen. Now that your profile settings are open, let's start by editing your username. This is the name that will be publicly displayed to other Gumroad users visiting your profile, so it's crucial to choose something that truly represents you or your brand. Maybe it's your own name or something fun and catchy that relates to your work. Whatever it is, make it memorable. After finalizing your username, it's time to give some serious thought to your bio. This isn't just a few lines under your name. It's your chance to shine and share a bit about yourself with potential followers. Put some thought into crafting a compelling bio that is both expressive and informative. This little section can help engage your audience and provide insight into who you are beyond your work. Next up is your logo, which might be your profile picture or a brand logo if you're representing a business. Here, visuals play a vital role in making your profile stand out. Choose an image that is clear and visually appealing. Remember, first impressions are often visual. Whether it's a professional headshot or a creative logo design, ensure it aligns with your branding. Now, with all these personal touches in place, don't forget the final step, saving your changes. Search for the Update Settings button, usually found at the lower part of the page, and give it a click. This will ensure that all the tweaks you've made are securely saved and your profile is ready to impress any visitor who stops by. And there you have it. You've just customized your Gumroad profile. Remember, customizing your profile isn't just about making it look nice. It's about connecting more effectively with your audience and enhancing your brand's identity. Thanks for following along, and I hope your updated profile helps you achieve your goals on Gumroad. Stay creative, and see you in the next video.